Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we delve deep into the enchanting world of unique wooden art, exploring why it stands out as the perfect gift for every occasion. From birthdays and anniversaries to holidays and housewarmings, wooden art pieces offer a timeless charm that speaks volumes. Join us as we uncover the beauty, craftsmanship, and personal touch that makes wooden art an ideal choice for gifting. Wooden art has been a significant part of human culture for centuries. From ancient civilizations that carved intricate designs into wood to contemporary artisans who create stunning sculptures and decor pieces, wood has always been a favored medium. Its natural beauty, warmth, and versatility make it an exceptional choice for artistic expression. In this video, we'll explore the various types of wooden art available, the artisans behind these creations, and how you can select the perfect piece for your loved ones. We'll also discuss the environmental benefits of choosing wooden gifts and share some DIY project ideas for those who want to add a personal touch. The significance of gifting wooden art. When it comes to gift giving, the thought behind the gift often holds more weight than the gift itself. Wooden art pieces encapsulate this sentiment perfectly. Here are some reasons why gifting wooden art is significant. Personal connection. Each wooden piece tells a story. Whether it's a carved animal representing a beloved pet or a wall hanging that reflects shared memories, wooden art can evoke emotions and memories. Durability. Unlike many other materials, wood is incredibly durable when properly cared for. A well-crafted wooden piece can last for generations, making it a lasting reminder of special moments. Sustainability. Choosing wooden art supports sustainable practices when sourced from responsibly managed forests. Many artisans prioritize eco-friendly methods, ensuring that your gift is kind to the planet. Unique aesthetic. The natural variations in wood grain mean that no two pieces are identical. This uniqueness adds character and charm to each artwork, making it a special gift. Versatility. Wooden art can fit seamlessly into various decor styles, from rustic and farmhouse to modern and minimalist. This adaptability makes it easier to find something that suits the recipient's taste. Types of unique wooden art gifts. The world of wooden art is vast and varied. Here are some popular types of wooden art pieces that make excellent gifts. Carved figurines. Hand-carved wooden figurines are both decorative and meaningful. They can represent animals, people, or abstract forms, each carrying its own significance. For instance, animal figurines, perfect for nature lovers or pet owners, these can be crafted to resemble their favorite animals. Wooden wall art. Wall art made from wood can transform any space into a warm and inviting environment. Options include wooden signs. Personalized signs with family names or meaningful quotes can add a touch of individuality to home decor. 3D wall hangings. These pieces often incorporate layers and textures that create depth and interest on walls. Customized cutting boards. A beautifully crafted cutting board is both functional and decorative. Consider having one engraved with the recipient's name or a special date. These boards make great gifts for culinary enthusiasts. For those who love cooking or entertaining, a custom cutting board can become a centerpiece in their kitchen. Weddings. Newlyweds often appreciate personalized kitchenware that symbolizes their new life together. Jewelry boxes. A handcrafted wooden jewelry box serves as both storage and decoration. Look for options with intricate designs or personalized engravings to make it extra special. These boxes are perfect for gift-giving occasions. Birthdays or anniversaries are ideal times to present a beautiful jewelry box filled with meaningful items. Keepsakes. A jewelry box can hold sentimental items such as heirloom jewelry or mementos from special occasions. Wooden toys. Handcrafted wooden toys are not only safe but also promote imaginative play in children. Some popular options include building blocks. These encourage creativity and fine motor skills while being eco-friendly. Puzzles. Wooden puzzles can be both educational and entertaining, providing hours of engagement for kids. Spotlight on artisans, the heart of wooden art. Behind every stunning piece of wooden art lies an artisan whose skill and passion bring it to life. In this section, we'll highlight some talented artisans who specialize in creating unique wooden artworks. Traditional woodworkers. Many artisans follow traditional techniques passed down through generations. These craftsmen often use hand tools to shape wood into beautiful forms, ensuring that each piece retains its natural beauty. Their dedication to craftsmanship results in products that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also rich in cultural heritage. Contemporary artists. Modern wood artists often blend traditional methods with innovative designs. They experiment with different types of wood, finishes, and techniques to create striking pieces that challenge conventional notions of wooden art. Their work often reflects current trends while maintaining respect for the material. Eco-conscious artisans. With sustainability becoming increasingly important, many artisans focus on using reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials in their work. By doing so, they contribute to environmental conservation while creating beautiful pieces that resonate with eco-conscious consumers. How to choose the perfect piece of wooden art. Selecting the right wooden art piece requires thoughtful consideration. Here are some tips to help you choose wisely. Know your recipient's taste. Understanding the recipient's style is crucial when selecting a gift. Consider their home decor preferences. Do they lean towards modern minimalism or rustic charm? Pay attention to colors they favor. Warm tones may suit someone who enjoys earthy aesthetics, while cooler tones might appeal to those with contemporary tastes. Consider the occasion. The occasion can guide your choice significantly. Anniversaries, elegant wall art or personalized items can convey love and sentiment. Housewarmings, functional gifts like cutting boards or decorative items that enhance their new space will be appreciated. Size matters. Think about where the recipient might display the piece. Small spaces, if they live in an apartment or have limited space, opt for smaller items like figurines or wall hangings. Large spaces, for homes with ample wall space or large surfaces, consider bigger statement pieces that draw attention. Personalization options. Many artisans offer customization services. Adding a name, date, or special message can elevate the gift's significance and make it truly one of a kind. Hand-painted coasters. Purchase blank wooden coasters and paint them with designs or quotes that resonate with the recipient. Seal them with a protective finish for durability. Custom picture frames. Create personalized picture frames using reclaimed wood. You can add embellishments or engravings to make them unique. Wooden keychains. Craft simple keychains from small pieces of wood, adding initials or symbols that represent shared memories. Caring for wooden art gifts. Once you've chosen the perfect wooden art piece, it's essential to ensure its longevity by caring for it properly. Dust regularly, use a soft cloth to dust off any dirt or debris. Avoid excessive moisture, keep wooden items away from water or humidity to prevent warping. Use appropriate cleaners. When cleaning, use products specifically designed for wood to maintain its finish. Conclusion: the lasting impact of gifting wooden art. In conclusion, unique wooden art pieces offer an exceptional way to express love and appreciation through thoughtful gifting. Their beauty, durability, and personal connection make them ideal for any occasion. As you consider your next gift-giving opportunity, remember the charm and significance that wooden art can bring into someone's life. Call to action. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative gift ideas. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What type of wooden art would you cherish receiving as a gift? Share your ideas in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more content celebrating artistry and creativity.